We are back in Tampa. It's sunny. It's a gorgeous day. Perfect day to talk about one of my favorite subjects, BHRT, here at Age Rejuvenation, South Tampa. I am so excited to chat with you. We are with Dr. Ericsson. You are an OBGYN with an expertise in BHRT.
Yes, I am.
Tell me a little about that, because it's usually separate.
Generally speaking, BHRT stands for bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. And bioidentical simply means that we're using hormones that mimic exactly what your body would be producing. So they have the same kind of effect on your body and your receptors, and much more beneficial than the synthetics.
I have been on this journey for going on a year and a half. It has been a journey, but I am here to say I'm so passionate about it because it's changed my life. So basically, in a nutshell, you're saving marriages. Truly. Because one of the things that is getting better and better is the fact that you actually are thinking about sex and wanting to have sex again with your partner. So you are changing lives. You are helping women really thrive in life.
Well, that is really what drives us so much to sort of perfect what we do. And what you said earlier is something I hear all the time. It just feels so good when people say, "You've changed my life." I've heard people say, "You've saved my life." I mean, that's just so touching to me. You also said it's a journey. We're looking for balance, so we pretty much get close when we start with that initial therapy and the initial doses. Anybody's going to feel better from where they're coming in from, 99% of the time. And then from there, we're just balancing you out, right? And you're not the same person every day. So so the hormones you needed day one are not the same when you're, a few months in. You start learning, we're educating you on other things that affect your hormones. So we talked about stress, sleep, and as you start to incorporate and balance those things, then your need for hormones will change a little bit.
I love that you mentioned that because I'm all about empowering women, and you have to educate yourself. So if you're empowering your patients to know and understand, that was the beautiful thing when I started this journey, is I had tried it at 45, I'm now 50, and it was truly a hot mess at 45, and I thought I was gonna be one of those women. Well, BHRT just doesn't work for me, and I'm just, this is my lot in life, to suffer and be tired all the time. Your libido is in the gutter, and your mood's all over the place. You have that slight depression. And as I started coaching women, I realized so many women are just sent home with, well, this is just where you are, premenopause and menopause. And you're truly empowering them to learn what's going on in their bodies and to holistically treat it, because sleep, and I learned that with sleep and the cortisol, even with my husband. What I mentioned earlier is at this age, it's kind of a joke because these divorces that are happening, the midlife crisis, while women are going through menopause, men are stressed out from life and their cortisol, and they're also going through andropause.
Right, andropause.
And then people are like, well, we don't want to have sex anymore, and you're so moody.
Right.
Where really they just need their hormones balanced, get together, hug, and then let it lead, get some oxytocin going, and sleep, good nutrients in their body, and they could have saved their marriage.
Yeah. You've been at Hormone University. I just hear you hitting on all these key points. You're so on point. It is a little sad to have patients coming to us who went to their primary, who, diligently hunted and searched, thinking that their doctor could help them, and to be sort of just given this banal answer that, okay, this is just where you are in life, and they are often given just a Band-Aid, okay, you have anxiety, depression, and sleep issues, so let's give you an anxiety prescription.
Doesn't fix anything.
Let's give you antidepressant, let's give you a sleeping pill. So, I'm trying to dial that back so they can just look at their hormones and also take a look at their vitamins. Vitamins play a crucial role in how we balance out.
Thank you so much. It's been an honor to chat with you. I am leaving empowered from this conversation.
So great to hear.
You were voted one of the top doctors in Tampa as well. Now I see why.
Thank you. Thank you. And it's such a pleasure to have you here and know that you're out there spreading some of the benefits and sharing that knowledge. Love that.